Okay, so this is my kinetic sand lab, and I have it right here. And honestly, I think it worked pretty well because it's showing very kinetic energy, and then if you clump it together, it sticks fairly well. So the kinetic sand is a regular sand that's been coated in silicone oil, and in this case, we use the cornstarch. With kinetic sand, the polymer chains within the silicone oil make the sand particles stick together so you can form them into a ball. However, the ball will slowly flatten over time. In comparison to regular sand, it sticks together a lot easier, and like if you wanted to make a sandcastle, you wouldn't have to get it wet. It just sticks together a lot easily, yeah. And then it feels like it's never gonna dry out because it's covered in oil and not water, and so that's why it always kind of feels kind of moist. And honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself on this one. This was a fun lab, and it actually is like exciting that I got it to work. So